Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 11 of loving my minis in February. Yes, it is day 11. I had to double check. I have my super cute pink sticky notes, which I need to reuse. So you might start to see me cross out stuff, but I have my $8. So I'm going to set that there for a second while I get situated. How are you doing? How is your week going? I feel like this week is flying by. I don't know if it's just me. I had a productive day yesterday. Things are good. Just busy as usual. So I have my $8 that I put in our bank. Now I have my $8 worth of prop coins. So I'm just going to give a little shuffle, a little mix up, and then I'm going to stick those there. I found my clear tray I was looking for. Okay, I feel like I'm more like squished. Maybe that's a little better. All right, so I have my prop coins. I'm going to roll my D3. Whatever number it is what we'll get however many prop coins. We are starting at 2, and let's go. 1. You guys were so sweet with Coco in yesterday's video. She was so traumatized. She's doing much better. All dogs just ate their dinner. They're all happy. So hopefully I can get through this recording fairly unscathed with no dog barking. Oops, that's a 3 for 6, 2, 3. And I'm very excited. I was watching one of Kimmy's Corner. She's the one who does these gorgeous little dashboards. She said she's going to do one for March. So make sure you're following her over on Ko-fi. I'll have her YouTube linked below. If for some strange reason you do not know who she is, please go check her out. But I purchased, what did I do? Was it free on her Ko-fi? I can't remember, but I got Budgeting with a Ginger, Brittany. I got her March ones because this is my 3rd month doing this. And especially with February, we've finished one every day in February. And I'm so ready to see if we keep that streak up. But I'm definitely doing March. 2 for 5. We have 2 left. All right, 1 for 6. And then we will put 1 at 7. No, we had 2. All right. Okay. 7 will get that. We will start again at 8. All right. So I feel like as long as I can, I'm going to keep this up. It's not my most watched videos, but the people that watch it are just the sweetest, and you guys are the best. So I appreciate you, and I am going through my minis. Here, let me show you what it looks like now. Granted, there's some in the... Oh my gosh, I have to move so much stuff. Okay. But look. Granted, I went through and cleared a little bit out, but these two, these I'm going to move out to my Tuesday video, stick, scratch, and roll. But we're doing pretty good. I'm excited. So, yeah. All right. So let's just get started. All right. So, number 1 has $1. Number 1 has $1. All right. This will save $3. This is from Isabel Gigi. So we can do 4 circles. So I was using my bluish color. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I love how Kimmy's on board with the coloring in circles now. It's so fun. All right, so I can put my coins there. 2 got 50 cents. Let's see. Oh, this one's from... Get my purple. This one's from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget, so we can do 2 more little marks. This way to the forest. Okay, and then number 3 got 25, 25, 25, and 25. So number 3 got $1. I always love it when 3 gets attention for some reason. Okay, so this one is from Sweet Indulgence Budgets. It'll save us $4, and we can do 4 hearts. So I also love coloring in hearts, so I will do that. And apparently talk through it, so I can't fast forward. 1, 2. Oh my gosh, this candle smells so sweet. It's making me want dessert, but I haven't had dinner yet. So, and I will not be having cereal. I will be having a salad. So those of you wondering if I'm having cereal or not, the answer is no. All right, number 4. Got $1. I love these prop coins, Kimmy. They're so cute. Okay, this one is from Save with Judy. So each pumpkin is 25 cents, so we can color in 4 pumpkins. I'm loving this color. It's so pretty. I am so excited to show you guys the new stuff I'm working on for my launch on Sunday. And depending on how things go is how I always kind of, my time frame is how much I will actually launch. Because I like launching on the 15th of every month now. I was trying to do 2 launches, but that was just too much for me. Because I love filming my YouTube videos. Okay, I almost did one more. I think that's correct. Alright, so that's Save with Judy. So I don't want to let that go. And I still, you know, need a little more time to be creative and all that. So it looks like we have another $1 going into 5. Okay, so 5 is this little panda from Bookish Mama Budgets. So we will do, let's do the pink again. So we'll do 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cute. Cute, cute. I feel like I started 3 different stories, and I don't know where I was on any of them. All right, so number 6 got $1.25. Very cool. Oh, my launch. So yeah, so I have new stuff coming, and then I'm hoping to release my, I think I'll have it ready in time, my Adventures in Savings for February, because I'm going to try to do an Adventures in Savings book each month. So February's is going to be cruise related. So that is 5. So 1, 25, 50, 75, $1.25. And this one is from Cash and Coin Crew. I've had that one for so long. Finally, I'm so excited that I finally get to use these that I've had and wanting to use, but I just haven't had a chance. All right, we only have 2 more. I don't know if our streak is going to continue. So it looks like we will have $1.25 going into number 7. Which we needed more than that. So let's see. So we have 125. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25. So we only have 25 more cents and that one will be done. All right, let's see what number 8 is. We had a really good streak, so I'm not too upset. So, because we're still saving money every day. So number 8, we have Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, her collab with Norellis Budgets, Happy Fall. So we get to color in 4 hats. So we did not finish one today, but I am a-okay with that. Day 11 still saved me a bunch of money. I put in $8 today, so it saved me $8. So 1, 2, 3... and 4. Okay. 4 little hats done. All right. So let's put all of this back and put that together. So hopefully maybe tomorrow we'll finish one. All right. So day 11 in the books. Thank you guys for hanging out and watching with me, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, And until next time, take care. Bye.